So the first video we got to this point where I've got my little playable character who can run and jump and so on. So that's using sprites, the idea of sprites, and just behaviors. He's got a platform character behavior, and this wooden background has got a platform behavior. So we're going to look at events now, and what we're going to do is we're going to have an event where he can like go up to some treasure and pick it up. So I need some kind of treasure or a coin or something like that. I don't know, I haven't actually looked at what's available. What would he want to pick up? He's going to pick up a cannonball. Nice. Add to the scene, close that. So cannonball right here. And so what I'm going to have is an event sheet. So you'll notice there's these tabs over here. This is the scene we're in. We're in the event sheet here, which is blank. Let's add an event. And we're going to add a condition, which is when big guy collides with, and there is an on collision with behavior down event down here. I quite like to use the search collision with cannonball, and defaults are fine there. So we've got when big guy is in collision with cannonball, then an action happens. In this case, we're just going to delete. Is it delete? Delete the object. Delete the cannonball. Okay, so I'm actually just going to throw a couple in. I can hold down Control and drag to duplicate. So hit play there. So this event sheet thing is kind of the programming side of making a game. Really is where all the power comes into it, and you can actually make stuff happen. So my guy goes over here, picks up that cannonball, picks up that cannonball, picks up that cannonball. While I'm here, let's just look at hitboxes. So if I look at my cannonball here and edit this object and go edit collision mask, that's its collision mask. That's just like hitbox. That one's not too bad, but we have the option to improve it. So I went edit collision, custom collision mask down here. So if I drag this point to here and add a vertex, it kind of drops another one in here, here actually. And I can keep adding more vertices. And if I'm cunning about how I do this, I don't know, kind of like that. In fact, you know what? It doesn't need to be that good. I see people making an effort to do lots and lots of vertices to make a perfectly accurate hitbox, and in my experience, it's unnecessary. You don't see it in the game, and actually having lots and lots of vertices can create lag in the game eventually, because it's more computing power to compute what's going on there. So that was the cannonball. But also if we edit this guy here and go edit collision masks, and you can see that's a particularly awful collision mask. So custom collision mask, drag these. I think I'll add another vertex, just maybe two. You see this error here, this polygon is not convex. That's because I've got this going on here. It needs to be like convex. Convex? Yeah, convex, not concave. So if I do a point that's like that, then that's not acceptable. It won't work properly. If I do it like that, it would work. So anyway, there we go. So let's just tidy that up. And again, it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be a bit better than that one that we already had. Close, apply. So that's the first idea of how we do events. You know, big guy collision cannonball, delete cannonball, and as a little bonus feature, we've just looked at hitboxes. I think that's enough for this video.